Well, it's only, you let it set for 15 minutes and then you let it run it. So I only have the door closed for about 15.
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Well, yeah, I was going to say, the expensive.
And I tried telling the ladies at my old building, and they didn't believe me. And I said, hey, they need to pay more for that when it's cheaper, just to buy a huge box of eggs and soda, and get a cheaper shot liver, and just put that on top. You're doing the same thing.
Yeah, and if I don't put enough in there, Job has a pack. His box has got to be done just right.
Well, milk can't open back the doors. I tried going in there and I tried to make the door open.
Yeah.
Milk cannot
Slam the door.
But he's
It's gonna go flying.
but he's tired of M&T himself.
I'm gonna get in the back seat,
Yeah.
so don't lock it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He says they treat. He says they're treating her good, which he's okay with. He says, but he says when it comes to customers, they treat the customers like shit. Well, I got to open this one anyway, and that's why he's gonna switch. But he's gonna wait because Maggie's gonna see. The only thing they did screw her over with is they hooked her in, thinking she was going to be a supervisor, and then when she got there, they said, "No, you're going to be a teller." So they changed the rules on her refrigerator because I need to get orange juice to help me with the stupid cigarettes and stuff.
We're drinking orange juice. We drink a glass every other day.
I
It helps us a lot.
I drink a glass every
You
day.
gonna take the wagon with you?
No, not yet. I'm just doing these. Wagon. I can do the wagon later. I'm just doing these.
Yeah, make sure you get your catfish and the.
Yeah, the
They gave
catfish.
you chicken, I think.
Yeah, and I got the. Yeah. And I got pasta salad. Yay, I can
Come on,
have
Carl.
a good dinner. Yay. Goody. And actually, I brought up.
I don't want to stand here all day either.
Well, here, can you grab these? And you get food, and you get treats, and you get birdies. Yeah, you like birdies. You're getting an eye from the cat.
No, because I can't hold you all this stuff.
Oh, all right.
Well, just because mine was 9 something and yours was 9 something. Stella was only 4. Me and you went expensive.
This bag is ours. Any of you like it, I can't help that. Carl's in trade. But I meant about that warm with the food.
Yeah.
Sorry. We got free popcorn with it.
Microwave popcorn?
Yeah.
Oh, good, okay.
There's your juice.
That comes in here. I like dividing things. This agrees. That way I roll up one.
You can stay over there. There's all your stuff.
Okay, well,
I got me a fork.
I need to go over here. Yeah, he was asking for a finger. I thought Stella was going to give her a finger.
That's an extra fork.
What? Okay.
This is fast.
Okay.
Biometrics, Carl, if you need extra, there's napkins in the middle if you need them. If you don't use them, I'll leave them. So here comes this.
Thank you, Bill.
Okay, everybody, enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, me.
Next time, it's probably gonna be warm like this because we can eat inside.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, me and you went expensive and Stella went cheap. Twitter, I said, you do that, and I'm going to get on my podcast, and I'm going to tell you all what I think.
found out we have a horn in the car.
Yeah.
That was me, because she wasn't telling you even know where she was going. And she's just stopping in the middle of the road. And I'm going to get hit, so I don't think so.
And that black and white cat out there in the back found a nice spot on the cement in the sun, rolling around all over the place and soaking up the sun. So they put the motorcycle there.
Creamy's getting greater. The other day, Diane had to go up to the car for something after that. And what she was doing.